How's it doing, folks? I said I'd give you a quick walkthrough of a new combat tractor we just got into the sales yard recently at Cavan. So it's being this machine here. It's an LX-351, so it is fitted with a fully enclosed cab, and as you can see there, it's also fitted with an LA-545 genuine Kubota loader, and your bucket comes as standard. And as you do see there, it also does have a rear and a mid PTO, so it's already fitted with an RCK 60-inch Kubota deck. So it does give you that option if you are out doing commercial grass cutting. You do have that option with the deck coming as standard. It is brand new, fresh out of the tin, fresh out of clock. Coming round to the back, then you have your compact linkages and then also your double acting valves. Fully road legal, so it is kitted out with your walk lamps, your beacons, etc. It is also fitted with your intermediate road tyres. Okay, as I said, it is brand new. Loader fitted, mid PTO 60-inch deck, and I'll give you a quick look on the inside. So again, it is fully hydrostatic, so there's no clutching required. It does have your hydrostatic 3 ranges, with being your high, neutral, medium, neutral and low. So 2 neutrals and 3 different ranges. Okay, your joystick then of course to control your loader, like so, and then go side to side to control your buckets. Now, if you want to lower and open your deck, then there's a wee switch here right beside you, beside the joystick. Everything's very ergonomic right beside you. It's just a flick of a switch like that, and then you lower and raise whichever way you want to do it. And then to engage then your blades is essentially just press your PTO button like so. So you will engage it with your left lever here. So there I'm in 540E PTO, and then you press your button, engage it so. And again, to turn it off, just press your button like so, and then back to your neutral PTOs. Okay, everything is right beside you. It's fully hydrostatic, so it's literally just your forward and your reverse. All your controls there in terms of your lightings, etc., and your horn is all done through here. You do have your full LED digital display, and then you do also have your levers then for your arms, like so. So there is not much to a tractor like this. It does fit it as standard with your air conditioning, heating and your radio. Then your speakers are also behind me. Not much to a tractor like this. Very simple, quick walk through of it. It is a 35 horsepower 4-cylinder Kubota diesel, alright. So if you're on the market for something like this, whether that be for quick loader work or also your commercial cutting work with a 60-inch deck, side discharge, you can call in, bring it for a test spin, see what you think. You can ring myself also, 083 131 5178 for a bit more info and prices. Delivery is nationwide, and finance packages can also be arranged. So if you have any more queries, call in to us there and let us know what you think of it.